Hello everyone, here's a quick guide on how to use the Eyoyo D300 transmitter and D303 receiver. D300 transmitter features: top, built-in microphone, speak directly here. Bottom, status indicator, light, pairing group button, batch shutdown button, 4 battery level indicators. Left side, external mic port, reset pinhole, mute switch, up, mute, on, down, mute, off. Right side, Type-C charging port and power button. Back, lanyard hole, wear around the neck with a clip mic for hands-free use. D303 receiver features: ear hook made of soft silicone for comfort, suitable for both left and right ears. Wearing method: hook facing up equals right ear, hook rotated down equals left ear. Front, indicator light, power button, volume plus/minus buttons. Bottom, Type-C charging port, back, speaker output. Pairing instructions: turn on the transmitter, blue light stays on. Hold the receiver's power button until the blue light appears, then release to enter pairing mode. Press and hold the transmitter's pairing button until it blinks, then release receiver light stays solid blue, pairing successful. Devices remember the pairing, no need to pair again next time. Batch shutdown. Press and hold the transmitter's batch shutdown button for approximately 3 seconds. Once the receiver's blue lights turn off, release. Important, press the transmitter's pairing button again or turn it off completely. Otherwise, receivers won't power on next time. No sound. Check this. If there's no audio from the receiver, check if the mute switch is on. Turn it off to restore sound.